The Cube Freeze Dryer relieves one of life's most consistent problems, having a delicious meal in a short time that isn't just drive-through. Tell me if this sounds familiar. It's the end of a long day and it's time to make dinner. You've spent hours planning meals and buying groceries, but now the moment has come and there doesn't seem to be enough time to get it done. Maybe you forgot that one key ingredient at the store, or you're already late for your son's baseball game. If so, you're in luck, because I'm going to show you a way to make meals your family will love when time is limited. Here's the solution: freeze-dried food storage. Yep, I said it, food storage, but not the horrible styrofoam stuff you're picturing. I'm talking about taking the recipes your family loves and freeze-drying them so you can have them ready when an apocalypse hits, which seems to happen a few times a week in my family. Having meals ready at a moment's notice is life-changing. Freeze-dried food using the Cube Freeze Dryer by Prep4Life is what can make that change in your life. Whether you need something quick on a busy day, or for those who want to stockpile meals in your underground bunker, or even those who want to make a small business and sell freeze-dried candy, the Cube Freeze Dryer by Prep4Life is the best solution you'll find on the market. Do you find yourself hoarding leftovers just to throw them away when they spoil? Instead, freeze drying will allow you to turn leftovers into an emergency meal for your pantry, preserving its flavor for years to come. The Cube Freeze Dryer will be the most compact, productive, and hassle-free food storage appliance in your home. It allows you to freeze dry 12 to 16 servings per batch of your family's favorite recipes. It only takes 3 simple steps. Prep your favorite food, place it in your freeze dryer and push start. Come back when your freeze dryer sends you a notification to find your own freeze-dried food. My family loves strawberries, but we hate waiting for strawberry season. It's great to have some easily accessible just as snacks. With help from the Cube, you can bottle the perfect strawberry for longer storage. Once freeze-dried, you can seal your jars of fruit inside the appliance. Enjoy your favorite fruit all year round. If camping's your thing, it's unlikely that the pre-packaged meals available are the highlight of your trips. Freeze-drying provides backpacking meals you will actually look forward to. Pass on the styrofoam mac and cheese and instead enjoy your favorite chicken Alfredo or mom's best coconut curry. Freeze-dry it first and don't worry, it still tastes the same when you get there. Everything you need for the Cube Freeze Dryer is contained inside its compact cabinet. No oil to change, no hoses to maintain, just wipe it clean and it will continue freeze-drying your food hassle-free. Don't miss the opportunity to take control of your food storage future. Add the Cube to your household and never worry again.